G'day YouTube, welcome to another video from Alex Does DIY. My name is Alex. So if you're watching the last video, you will have seen that I made a tattoo machine, some sort of tattoo machine out of a Dremel, and I test tattooed this mango. Alex Does DIY. Shaky as all hell, but it's a Dremel. And I did say that in that video, if you wanted to see me tattoo myself with the DIY tattoo machine, that I'd have to see, or I wanted to see, 1,000 subscribers, and we've hit 1,000 subscribers. So your wish is my command, and I am now going to tattoo myself. Now, as I said in the previous video, I'm no tattoo expert. I've never tattooed before. I wouldn't even begin to pretend that this is an instructional or informational video on how to tattoo. There's hundreds of thousands of those already out on YouTube. If you're into that, you probably know they're there. If you're not, you want to go and have a look. Go and have a look at this stuff. This is not the place for you to come and learn to tattoo. This is a single needle, botched up, sticky taped together Dremel with a single needle made out of MIG welding wire. But hey, if it works, it works. So what I'm going to do is now tattoo myself. I'm not using a stencil or anything like that. I've just gone and freehand drawn something on my leg here, and looking at it now, it's a little bit bigger than what I'd probably originally intended, but what the hell, I'm going to do something, do it properly, eh? So might as well make a start. I'll bring you in and we'll get going. So I hope you can see that alright. I know the lighting's not real good, apologise for the tan line there. Okay, not all of these are going to be, some of this is construction lines for me to kind of put everything where it needed to be. Okay, I'm starting to get a little bit nervous. This could be the stupidest thing I've ever done. Anyway, let's see how we go. This is either going to be cool or a complete disaster. Alright, so we're not getting enough penetration by the looks of things. Alright, turn the speed up. Try that again. Jesus. Yeah, that ain't working, is it? There's a faint line there. I think I might need to get it to go a bit deeper. Alright, let's try that. That was a bitch. Let's see. Clean. Getting better, I think. Alright, one bit of trial and error. See how we can keep going. Definitely going to need some touching up. I think I'm getting better at it. There's definitely a bit of technique involved. Hurts like a bitch. Okay, starting to get a bit better result there. Ouch, that hurts. Alright, I'm done now, I think. See if we can get that all cleaned off a bit better. Oh man. Man, alcohol stings. Oh. Man. I don't know necessarily that alcohol is the best thing to clean a tattoo off. Oh. Anyway, there we go. You see that? So, I'm sure it's probably the worst DIY tattoo on YouTube. But hey, let's see the King of Random do that. I think I'll definitely come back and touch it up at some point. But there we go. So this has been Alex Does DIY Life. See ya.